So your goal is going to be what we call getting an anchored cross. What do I mean by that? Notice we have the white cross at the top, but then on the sides there you see the stacked blue and the stacked red. That's an anchored cross. One thing to make sure of is whatever color cross you have, that it's anchored on all four sides of the cross. It doesn't have to be a blue cross, it can be any color. So when you receive a cube, you're going to notice that whatever the center color is, it's surrounded by the opposite side color middle edge pieces. In this case, we have green surrounded by blue middle edges. We call that getting the flower. That's what you want to focus on, is the petals of the flower, if you will. It doesn't matter that those corner edges are blue. All you're focused on is the middle edge pieces. So what you want to do is turn the bottom two rows until the middle edge color lines up with the same color center square. Notice we have the orange stacked here. Once those are stacked, now you're ready to go. So here we have a green center, the petals to the flower are blue, and notice there we have the blue middle edge, and right next to it is a yellow. What we want to do is line up or stack the yellow middle edge piece with the same color center square. So how in the world do we do that? Basically, you just move the bottom two rows until those two colors line up. Now we're going to turn the whole cube to the right or counterclockwise. So here's what it looks like. First we're going to stack them, and then once we've got them stacked, we're going to turn the whole cube to the right. Next, we're just going to turn the right column twice. Doesn't matter if it's forward or back. You're now done with one of the petals. Repeat, stack them, step 1, step 2, for all three of the other petals until all the petals are gone. So let's go ahead and take a look at this in action. But before we do, notice we have the 3 petals left. The one on the left index finger, that petal is gone. If you look at the right index finger, you'll notice that the red is already stacked and the cube is already turned to the right. So now we're ready to just simply move the right column down twice and then continue from there. So I'm already stacked the red, turn the cube to the right, right column down twice. The yellow happens to already be stacked, so I go ahead and I turn the cube to the right, right column down twice. Now I'd notice that the one next to the blue was orange, so I just moved that over, stacked them, cube to the right, right column down twice. Once all the petals are gone, all I need to do is turn the cube upside down and I should see an anchored cross. So I turn the cube upside down, there's my cross. I check to see that it's anchored on all 4 sides, and you are done. Congratulations. Hand it off to the next group.